Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see what is MySQL Aliases. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. As you can see, we are currently in localhost phpMyAdmin. There is one database with Let's Find course. There is one table with name LFC, and there are 6 columns inside the table LFC, and there are 8 records also. So MySQL aliases are used to give a temporary name to the table or to the column. So as we are only using one table in our Let's Find course database, so we cannot perform operation of aliases in a table. So in this video, we are going to see how MySQL aliases work for a column. Aliases are often used to make column name more readable. So as you want to know what is the functioning of that ID, so generally to make this column more readable, we use alias name in MySQL. Alias name only exists for a duration of that query. Suppose you have fired this query select star from LFC and you have put and you have used alias name or a temporary name for a column in this query. So during the execution only the alias name will be there. After the execution, the alias name will be disappeared and you cannot use that alias name in your next query. MySQL alias name you can create with the help of AS keyword, S keyword. Okay, so we will try to understand what is the syntax and how you can use alias name for a column. You have to click over edit inline. Here we have put select star from LFC. So now as we are learning how to put alias name for a column, so we will select ID from LFC. So now currently I am showing what is the difference between a normal column name and a temporary column name. So select ID from LFC. When you go with this query, you can see over here there is ID and these are the IDs. Now as you want that the column should be more readable for users, so what you will do, you will put as LFC ID. So this is our alias name. LFC ID is our temporary name and S is a keyword which is used to put a temporary name to the column ID. So select ID. ID is our original column name. S is a keyword which is used to give a temporary name to the column, and LFC ID is our temporary name from LFC. So when you go with this query, you can see now over here there is LFC ID. So in this way you can use a temporary name to make a column more readable for users. So you can with the help of S keyword you can create a temporary alias name. So we can see with the help of one more example that select first name is our original column name, S is a keyword which is used, F name is our temporary column name, and from LFC. So when you go with this query, you can see F name over here. So this is the temporary name which we are using, and I have told you that the temporary name will be exist only during the duration of that query. So currently our temporary name is F name. So but when I click on LFC, the temporary name will be disappeared and there will be the first name, there will be the original name. So alias name is only used to give a temporary name to the column. So with the help of aliases you cannot change the column name permanently. You can change the column name temporarily only during the duration of that query. After the duration the temporary name will be disappeared. So in this way MySQL aliases work. You can go to your localhost phpMyAdmin and you can try this functioning in your localhost. You can create table, you can try giving a different name to your columns. For this video, this is it. You can use MySQL aliases in any column. Like I can put the alias name over ID, first name, last name, age, city, income. In each and every column we can put alias name. So how to put alias name for a table we will learn in our join operation. For now this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.